Alright, so there's been a bug on Rainbow Six Siege which turns your screen black, so here's a quick fix on the issue. So you're going to want to hit play, and on launch options you're going to click the Vulkan one. This supposedly resets the shaders and fixes your black screen issue supposedly, and in the following video you will see that it completely fixes it and there's no further issues. So let's get to that. Alright, as you can see, we've loaded into a game. Now we're just going to quickly boot up a game of Quick Ranked and we'll see the results. And as you can see here, it is completely working. There's no black screen error or anything like that. Clearly the other players on this game are having these issues, so that's pretty much it for this part. And that basically brings us to the end of this video. If you did like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and drop a comment down below saying what I can improve in the next tutorial. And that's pretty much it, so thank you and have a nice day.